Perhaps the question that's asked me the very most is about how can I find somebody to mentor me? Hi, John Maxwell here. Welcome to Minute with Maxwell. I'm quite confident that you've asked that question yourself. I know when I was young, I asked that question of myself, who could I get to mentor me? And I was very frustrated because I had a problem. The problem was nobody knew me. I was just starting off. I wasn't successful. There wasn't anybody looking at me and saying, hey, young man, I want to mentor you. And so I had no connection with the people that probably could help me the most. But I had some good advice from a friend who said, John, until you're successful, your mentors are probably going to be the authors of books. And I began to read books by people that could help me. And I never met them personally. Many of the people that have helped me the most in my mentoring life, I never met personally, but I met them in their books and on the pages and the words that they gave me. Now, what's beautiful is this. As you begin to let mentors mentor you through books, through CDs, videos, etc., through social media, as they begin to mentor you, you become more successful. You'll have an opportunity maybe someday to meet them. I remember when I had that very same privilege. Zig Ziglar had been a mentor of mine by books for many years, and one day I was on a plane and looked right across the aisle. The plane had already taken off. I'd been working, and right there, right beside me was Zig Ziglar. I thought, wow, he's a mentor of mine by books, and now I'm going to get a chance to meet him. We struck up a conversation on that plane, and he invited me to come and hear him the next day, and I did. We went out to dinner that night, and he became a great friend and a great mentor. I hope that you get to meet some of the important mentors in your life, but don't let that stall you or keep you from growing and improving. Take advantage of good books. Take advantage of every opportunity you have to connect with people that can really add value to you. Start where you are, not where you want to go. And someday you'll get to go where you want to go.